All right, in the box, you got your charger, you got your vacuum, you got instructions on top of the vacuum that you just take off. Owner's manual, user manual, charger itself, and 4 brushes. Now, it only takes 2 brushes that you have to put on, so they give you an extra set of brushes. Now, look at this little thing right here. Okay, so that is a little brush to clean off the bottom or whatever have you. And on the other side, you've got some other things that you can use. But right there is a little kind of a utility knife in there and a letter opener almost like, so you can get in there and cut off string or hair or whatever. Genius. Okay, so on the back of this, you've got where you're going to put the brushes. Okay, so the brushes will go here. And then you've got rubber tires. These are rubber, not plastic or anything else, but they are rubber, so they're going to catch on stuff, okay? Right here, this is rubber, okay? So that's a good component to have. Now, in here, you'll see the little shafts, okay? Now, those get full of hair and stuff. I had one of these before, and those get full of hair, and what'll happen is it'll start to bind this little wheel up. So you got to keep those clean, that shaft in there clean. So you see how that moves in there? Okay, so the dust and hair can work itself in there and keep that from turning, and that's important to keep turning, okay? All right, keep it clean, and we're going to get her going. All right, she's charging now. Make sure you take all the cellophane off the eyes of everything, the vacuum, the charger, so everything can see itself. And that cellophane is hard to see on the charger. I didn't even see a piece of it, but make sure that's all off. All right, 5 hours to charge it, then we'll get at it. All right, it's doing its thing. I've set it up to go on it 3 times a week, 8 o'clock in the morning, kind of when nobody's home, just the dog, but she just watches it goes around. And I'll tell you what, it does the whole house, because I'm home on one of the days that it goes off. And it does everything. It does all the floors. We got a little bit of carpet over there, and it does that. It doesn't pick up a ton of hair off the carpet. And yeah, it goes down the hallway. Well, obviously it doesn't go down the stairs. It does hit this right here and stops and turns around, comes back. So we know it doesn't go down the stairs. Got to make sure you clean that filter every time though. Okay, it's docked now. We're going to show you what that little brush is for. Okay, so this is your catcher material. You lift that lid up. Oh, make sure you turn this switch on to connect to the app. So make sure that's on. And it'll tell you in the owner's manual, but there's the switch right there. Okay, let's pull this out. And we'll go over here. And I'll show you. Okay, so there's all the stuff that comes into the thing. You want to wipe that in the garbage and whatever have you. And this is what those little brush is for. So instead of taking this out, and you can, right? You can take this all out, and the filter, you can bang it out if you want, and so on and so forth. So you can just take that little brush that comes with the unit, and you just brush all that off. You know, every third, maybe fourth time, maybe take this screen out. It's a, I don't know, micro screen in there, and you can take that out and wash it off. Don't wash off the filter, because it is paper and you'll wreck that. You get 2 of these, so you can do that. But yeah, when that's all done, close her up and off you go. This thing is awesome, man. I got it on a zigzag pattern. Look at that, goes right underneath the island. Hits the chairs on the other side, comes right back. Don't have to vacuum under the island or nothing. It's awesome.